Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled radish. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh radishes, thoroughly washed and trimmed. For the brine, prepare 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 cup of water. Don't forget to measure out 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. These basic items are all you need to create a delicious, tangy treat. Now let's get those radishes ready. Slice them thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick for the best texture and quick pickling. Next, combine your 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a small saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring until the sugar and salt dissolve completely. Then, remove it from the heat. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully pack your thinly sliced radishes into a clean, heat-proof glass jar. Make sure they are snug but not crushed. Then, pour the hot brine directly over the radishes, ensuring every slice is completely submerged. This is crucial for proper pickling. Once filled, seal the jar tightly with a lid and allow it to cool down to room temperature on your counter. For the best flavor, refrigerate your pickled radishes for at least 24 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. They'll keep well in the fridge for several weeks, ready to add a tangy crunch to any meal. Enjoy your delicious homemade pickled radishes as a vibrant side dish or topping. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.